go. Hey, before we get started, hit the subscribe button. You guys are gonna love the recipe that we have today. Again, what we do is we show you a little bit about cars, a little about life, the recipe that you or someone can cook. Take it with you to the club, the car shows, and do whatever you want. We're gonna put some on this new Weber we got, but we're not gonna show you what's in there now. All right. Got the burn can. Got the burn can going. Now, welcome to the South. We burn things. You know, Amazon, all them damn boxes, we gotta burn them. We're gonna talk about the truck today. We're gonna talk about the fitment and what we had to do to get those 26x12s on. And yeah, let's go check it out. I forgot what we named her, but that's what she's called. So what we did was
Black Panther.
Black Panther. So this is the Black Panther. Put the 26x12s on, fuel wheels. The offset is perfect. I personally wanted to keep it a little bit inside. I had wider wheels on there. We had the 24x14s and 24x16s on there. I could not get into Chick-fil-A drive-thrus. I love Chick-fil-A, so I couldn't get through. This is gangster. Be careful. She'll eat your ankles. Be very careful. So you come right here. We had to cut this bit right here, a little of the fender, but we filled it over. Glued this in. I'll just stick it on, glue it on so it never comes off. When we turn right underneath there. We'll talk about this later. This Black Panther getting some new teeth. We'll be growling at people. Right.
No, we don't cuss on the channel.
No cussing, sorry. Be growling at people. Check the recipe out. You come in close. Get a new control arm bar. Also, with the lift kit, it just changed the shop location. Let me see that. One thing I do like about the fuel, this center cap. It's a real center cap, metal, screws holding it in. It's unbelievable. You can change this if you want to get different colors. Alright, and we're running Country Hunters on top of it, MTs. And these are 37 by 13 and a half by 26. So when you're ready to get your wheels set up, find you a guy that can sell them to you. I don't know no one. But what can help you get there faster is hit the subscribe button at the bottom. Peace.
Welcome back to T.F.C. Who loves casseroles? This girl does. I'm guessing you do too since you're here watching this video. Am I right? Casseroles are awesome, especially the ones with cheese. This one has 4 cups of cheese. So if you're on a diet, this video isn't for you. Just go ahead and leave now. Exit stage left. This is my cheesy chicken broccoli rice casserole. Let's get to it. All the ingredients and recipe instructions are located in the description box below. So I'm going to start out with cooking 2.5 cups of uncooked white rice. But instead of just using water, I'm going to use 2 cups of chicken broth and 3 cups of water. We want that chicken flavor in our rice, so follow your package instructions on how to cook the rice. While the rice is cooking, let's go ahead and microwave this bag of broccoli. You don't want to cook it until it's soft. You want your broccoli to be a little firm. The broccoli is going to cook some more in the oven. I cooked mine for about 5.5 minutes. Set your broccoli aside after it's done in the microwave. While the rice is still cooking, dice up your chicken breast and heat up a pan to medium with 1 tablespoon of oil. Put in your chicken along with the seasonings of your choice. I'm using seasoned salt, onion powder, and garlic powder. Cook your chicken until no longer pink. Go over to your oven and preheat it to 350 degrees. I have a 9x13 baking dish which I'm going to spray with Nonstick cooking spray. Set it aside and let's grab a big bowl. Go ahead and add in your cooked rice along with 3 cans of cream of mushroom soup, your cooked chicken, broccoli, and 2 cups of shredded cheese. I used extra sharp cheddar cheese, but you could also use Colby Jack or maybe even pepper jack. If anybody uses pepper jack, let me know in the comments below how it turned out. Now at this point, I'm also getting a free arm workout, as you can see. Yeah, it's going to involve a little elbow grease, guys, but you're burning some calories before you eat this cheesy casserole, so it all works out. It doesn't look like much right now, but this is where the magic happens. I'm getting my baking dish and pouring's not the right word. I can't think of the right word to use right now. But I'm pouring it into the casserole dish. Spread it out evenly and take the remaining cheese and top your casserole with it. Your oven should be at 350 degrees at this point. And we're going to put it in the oven uncovered for about 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, this next step is optional. But you can also turn on your broiler and broil the top of your cheese for 5 to 7 minutes. But make sure you keep an eye on it, otherwise it's going to be burnt and charred, or as some people like to call it, Cajun. Which is also blackened. You don't want a Cajun casserole in this case. So just keep an eye on it when you're broiling it. And here's the finished product. Ooh, look at all that bubbly cheese. Ooh, it's not for the faint of heart. So we served ours with a side of string beans, but you could also do a salad. You got to eat a veggie to balance out all this cheese. And no, the broccoli inside of the casserole does not count, guys. No. Let's see what Mr. T.F.C. thought.
Hey, before we get started, go ahead and subscribe at the bottom. Welcome to the channel. T.F.C. Today we're going to go over chicken broccoli rice casserole with string beans. That's good. Go work on your car. Let your wife or whoever in your house who cooks watch this recipe, come back from work on the car, eat a good meal, and fall asleep. That's what it's all about for Saturdays. Hit the subscribe button and stay tuned to the next video.